Mama on say a free Saturday na me catch you say ebeya nketwa so. Saturday ube be life na me free catch you say enka mo asem biem. Na enra kwasi okoka no wa sorry. Enne obeje di say obe so life wie ya wo ye say obe return ni sika no na okwa obe so wo phone no na say ne ade ni nyina no. Ewiade ya beye ya na wo hye white no. Ai. I will see ukra wa no nte wa yo ne a mantle no. Very good. Uwie ya Oheneba Benye of TVSYZ. One Nana Yaa Brefo. Uwabe so esi uso. Oheneba Benye kwa oso ye Bayifoɔ. Oso ye Bayifoɔ. Ono neka. Oheneba Benye neka kire so ye Bayifoɔ. Wo Nana Agradaa. O se enu ta mesi twa so. Onyi ni me fan sende wansa. Mateme de sende usisi anana. Yo nana. Ace of mame kafra. Here de mame. Kafra mpache yo. Empanyin se chiame enim asem ka osnana wasumu a me ye sure se oti call na me ne Nana Agradaa eye eish so of Mama Agradaa eye ye no ebuza Nana Yaa Brefo ene Oheneba Benye of TVSYZ so o ma so esi ni so no Oheneba bo amakra de wo se Nana Agradaa ye Bayifoɔ eish so of Mama Agradaa eye Bayifoɔ ebuza me wuram na what story no ase me se obekire wadwen afa ho na wi abomoden se obehye ama onua bi nsa atumi aka aha eye AJ gossips medin e de AJ enti awia ya na beka che o se Mama Agradaa aba life me so me Mama Agradaa so of Mama Agradaa aba life ama oba ye no osisa na NDC fo no eye pa de ne osa diska no ebekwa akoma omu
Sammy Gyamfi officer ka I will walk to the office na me di sika no emohu aka ho na me the camera atofo na me di musika amamo. I don't need it. Your do me ye ni me ho ncheme eye fair ana sika ye ncheska ni ade da asobi tuwe obi timi me chema tade enye se mi ntimi nto obi timi cheme mpaboa enye se mi ntimi nto na momo no the person too is showing kindness to me. Sammy Gyamfi officer. I will walk to the Sammy Gyamfi office. I'm in $800. Now my side the be account. I'm the camera. Atoso, Mr. Papa. And this is for Munchimusika. Na me huncheme, me and what be you sume to sacrifice Sammy Gyamfi. $800 is nothing. Eyeska. But me, baby, $800 is not money for me. I be you sue me din. Says Sammy Gyamfi, at me $800. It's a brand here was so upon a bra. I want NDC government home. Then Yamia do when you post. Ye be you sue me Agradaa. Has been the Debiana bonus. Mimi di madaso.
Oh, we are na me far from me test say. Me ame ofa eye Oheneba bo ama Benye. Say ofa. Na minti se wa Sammy Gyamfi ene Nana Agradaa ensemi wo ka bi na wo se ne sen de na ekwo wo he no se me wo site baabi e na baabi am wo no kra na ho hye da nye yi na se de just wo ba live se sia wo ne edi nkomo abusua.
And this issue I decided not to talk about it because sebe me hu faso bia e wo so nemum enuoma ekokọ any the way ya NPP fo bia som ni the way NDC fo bi asi asomu a omututu ne sre ene na basa no very sad, I am telling you. Na e was so bia hwe so na wo hu ne se ewiase wo nyonko da na woda de ede kan ene se Sammy akwacheska. Is it Sammy akwacheska and Sammy awache dollars eno ene ye problem na na is it Sammy akwacheska and Sammy awache dollars eno na ye problem no ana number 1 7 previous Sammy wakoda yi ase Sammy akwayi en wakokodro yi na se en Agradaa abusuye ni Bayifoɔ a wɔn peni panko so Agradaa Bayifoɔ akɔ Sammy ho akɔ pa na kyɛw sɛ ye beto abanimu no enuoma a wɔyɛ yɛde tia NDC wa momoden etu oni ne kunu no a wapɔ ne ho ayɛ preko no wo momienu akɔ pa Sammy kyɛw akɔsɔ ne nan. And according to Agradaa no Sammy kretu ne fo sɛ wonyai ne attack on Sofu Owusubempa and the way you will see behave and said ye ni noma esiye fine at Adia ba ko wose ye hunu ne se. Agradaa ne kopa achew. Agradaa ne kopa Sammy chew. Wo wie ye no en wo se chemisika na tie. Agradaa ye Bayifoɔ. Agradaa ye Bayifoɔ a ensese ye soso ne so e wo kurom ha. Adeɛ we ya eto Sammy no, saa adeɛ we ebetumi ato President Mahama, ebetumi ato Chief of Staff, ebetumi ato nipa bia. I am telling you. Na kebetumi ato bia. Agradaa se Chief of Staff kwa no hu a, akobe ko ne cha ko pa ne chew. Owi obedi mandi sika e wo ho. Etomre bia, eya mo ma ye nyanya atwom se ebi asebe mpre asa before such Sammy eba betre gold board no no yo hia ni eya NDC fuo bu mema ya nwen ho na ye hunu se before such Sammy Gyamfi eba betre gold board no so no na wanye hia ni o ni wanye hia ni e wo se mu hunu sa before such Sammy eba betre ho no no wasidan e wo airport hills no wasifie what ya see na Sammy asifie e wo airport hills e ho na no wote Airport Hills a here for the town. Airport Hills a here for the town. I want to know Samete. Munchake other media houses. Yimunim. Namunko be so say. Before Sammy. Eba betre good board or so. Na Samete dollars. What? No be share Sammy to me money dollars. Etimunya se suban se asa jamasamia kokum nipa jamasamia ye boni bia binye bi da wasase so no. Please, let's stop it. Look. Okay. Ade na ekoso no. Se NDC fo mpanimfo ni mu a eye mumu bi ho abufuo e na omede che Sammy no. Enya bibia wo. Eye mumu bi ho abufuo because enkrofo ni bi ye party fo ya wo mo wo fam yo mo bu afu yo mo kasa ene na sefo ni nyina no enya bibia wo eye because of say bi mu hu ne say wo mo ne mo na bre yo mo ne mo na sofaye ena eduru so no afem ayi wo mama ena sankrofo ne tete wo eno ho yawo ena mo de che Sammy no etu obi kokogina ba bia ena Sammy $10 ena Sammy $10 seven prediasa kroma ye $10 yes kanu a Sammy che no en wa yem fom so na say dollars na wo de che no na eye sen sika we trase convert any cedi to dollar rate na bisa sika no na dodo say $800 na fama ene ya me no ka say cedi to dollar rate is 12 cedis compare sika ya sen sika no eye sen seven previous man for se wo mo okay say etomre bia mete say obi siane say Sammy wo che sika no ewo public when ka che say public Sammy ni Agradaa na gina ho na Agradaa na ka say mami petro na Sammy me $10 mami petro no a wo ka che so mani petro no Sammy mani petro Sammy ko share ne kem. Let's take it as we say. Time na Sammy ni Agradaa gina ho na discussion the bottom. Na ko betumi yi sika no ho akan dia ma no. But o kwose ne kan mu so ko yi sika dia ma no. O kwose ne kan mu so ko yi sika e de bre no. Agradaa Bayifoɔ a wɔn penny pankoso Agradaa Bayifoɔ mami Agradaa Bayifoɔ ba Agradaa Bayifoɔ Agradaa Bayifoɔ a wɔpɛ be ma bia ne ho ɔfɛ wɔpɛ so wɔde ne to for Agradaa Bayifoɔ ɛne wɔde camera ɛde kɔ ho. Eti anka Sammy hu no and waka chen say ja camera ni twa anka mo anka sa kro message na so akwa ka say Agradaa hu no and asa ko mo de camera ka ho no eye sika na ekura no nti no and waka say mo ntwa. Please, let's stop it. Let's stop being hypocrites. Na ya do so okurum ha. What? Hey, mo ma menka asem bi nkyerem. Mo ma menka asem bi nkyerem. Semuni mu a yawo emrantie ne maba wabia eye Sammy na mo survival. If you don't know, let me tell you.
Me sure say me wi a memfa nsem ne mama part no ebeje ne nsem otie nsem we a ebeje ne nsem me ma fafo mfrew e ka de asikyere waka kye me say wo boa Oheneba bo amantimi nka say o ye Bayifoɔ e da ho no ebusua ma ye mohwi na yenko eye nana Yaa Brefo esoso akache na de ono nso aka no yemfa enka ho ye wi a me fan sende no
wo hwimi kura Sammy Gyamfi ka say hey sing na de na ora fini pa wo sere usika gina ho ji sika na look, these are some of the things that people will have issues with though.
These things, I'm not surprised chief of staff at all, Safran. Maybe a bear man, no crabby or mine can't tell. And my son, a dorsal, wanted to so. And my son, a dorsal, wanted to so. What's the American? Won't come correct, me, I don't know. If I'm in the Akatuano, just at Montetesokakra. I mean, he's not the only person who gives money when they go out or one person and what to be honest with you, Ghana, I'm going to cry. Politicians, baby, I'm going to be out, but talk to food soldiers. One more tata, almost I have musicians, yes, and try for me, men food soldiers cry me, go baby, one more time, Miss Lemska, me. Whether it's NDC, MPP, then I'm not a politician. Master, why are you follow your people? Well, no cry, baby, watch it. But you see, you should be smart about some of these things. Then there's kind of one kake. Kabia we and one. Oh, ko baby, who say with the 2 city shaha, 5 city waha, 3 city waha, 10 city waha, and you'll be slow beer. What time I want young kind? I'm glad that word justify. I mean, counting the money means that he on person be this kind of basa like somebody who protects money. Say, I drew soon to your how can I? Oh, yes, I and I'm wondering whether he didn't even see the cameras around him. Because if a president introduces a code of conduct that is supposed to check some of these things, and you are openly dashing dollars, and who are quite man, they Namiadum are starting from. Now, yeah, Juma or gold bond, I see you. No crown inside Ghana, got a cromha, and then a politician grant $1. Businessmen also have dollars with them. They say, they never do grant here, yet no more dollar. Oh, but maybe I keep them because I travel a lot. So when I travel, I use them. I don't keep them to dash people. But people dash them dollars. People dash politicians dollars. They give them hard cash, hard currency. And they also want to show off. So instead of giving you CDs, they are showing off by giving you dollars. What sense does it make? Really? $1,000, equivalent 13 or 14,000 Ghana cedis. Just pick 14,000 Ghana and give it to the person. Pick 14,000 Ghana cedis. In fact, go carry, because if you are telling us that we shouldn't be holding dollars, if you are a politician, and one of the reasons why a dollar is a problem is because you are not a trader, when you're a businessman, what do you answer? Juma, Abaya Juma, you the Ghana city in the Chalka. What business do you have with dollars? What business? To be frank with you, what business do you have with dollars? I'm not saying that carrying them. Look, look. What business is a politician or even a normal regular guy? What business you don't trade in dollars? So what business do you have dashing dollars? That's where the problem is. And to say, baby, son, and no quack round the one come was the canoe. Oh, we are no one now. They are put down on the bed. Also, for pennies up, penny or buy just say, wow, to me, you don't like a check do $10,000. 10,000. It's a grad idea, for who compare for us. Agrada was catching a castle in hotels near Diane 1 year, the old Snapper Rosica, only me pay. Now, I'm grabbing quite events in Quatata, ministers, as I'm going to petrol. Said it. Then Casa would buy me a menu. Interest me, Casa would buy me a menu from me. I beg it. May to baby say, I bet you could get me a macaco down. Now, me cry, I am a father, yes, and you could down now. We come and well, Nipa at Kawisha. Oh, Demerton. Me, Bana, we is come and then Nipa Kawisha. Yeah, me ferry. Because as a we are shan. In fact, that's a we are shan. We're shan. When it happens like that, people, everybody's, and I don't see why sometimes politicians also do those things. It doesn't make sense to me. Because the woman has a oh, Demerton. Me bana wo yi scammer me na ni pa twa ho ahia ya me ferry because as a we are shan. In fact, that's as a we are shan. We're shan. When it happens like that, people, everybody's, and I don't see why sometimes politicians also do those things. It doesn't make sense to me. Because the woman has a driver, the woman has personal assistant, carries cameras with her everywhere she goes. So Kabet to me a small security. O PA said, Jake, come on, see me see an obenting. What do you need about can't want fuel and your problem cocaine, mammy at the abroad? That's it. I mean, it's everywhere. They do it. Well, MPP and this your one your dear bayo, one more yet. Name it to it. What did make her open magic? Oh dear. And yeah, the young Ramasa, who papa, to do a guy. Now, Agrada, Cranas, Refu, and Amea. Agrada, who could fear. Cast some or no crass petrol. Now, what was a petrol $800? One can send money would be a answer get one. And as you get $100 is no money. And this can be a sound. Every American will be in chance I have a passing from 800 years ago. To be honest with you, somebody like that is no money. Make us as journalists. I mean, I make my country have fiance menu. It's money, but it's no money. And this can be $800. 800 is a bagalis can say. Okay. Here, we could money a country and his cacket to a bianebu. Your buskets, $800 will not buy me a ticket to travel abroad. Economy in America, men can't even business class economy and a premium a year economy. And I was checking flight tickets to a year UK and then the United States. Premium economy was about $2,300 and something dollars. Premium economy. Economy itself was about 1,012 cities. Dollars, I mean, $1,012. So $800 really can't buy you much. Because my friend, I'm to a UK montation. You can buy it more than that. Even perfume, ordinary perfume, even perfume, you can buy perfume as expensive as $1,000. Yeah, a big crab. But how he went about it was
there be a mekase Ghana ha waduane na yeni na emom wasem de eba obi a ebedibi ama ne ho atono na achede bi nso wo ho a ede amane ene esan ohaw atete ateboy mihunyanka ene deba ebuja obo ampa ya mesrew eya kai eye lawyer Sammy Gyamfi because they say no minority in parliament no ese yenyi ni dibre no emfiri ne nsem chief of staff afre no yenyante nkoma a ekoso ewo ho say ye beje say ye be ne den say ye besesa no yenya enya update bia ye bekoso afollow enti say ote ana wuhui say na Yaa Brefo ene eye Oheneba boama bene e fire na eye de ekoso na we enye wasem foforo because if nra na mama update back to back let's say obe share wadwen afa video ho ewo comment section no we are omoden say obe share ama onu ebinsa etumi aka say won subscribe to channel na mesrew say obe subscribe no abo adoma no so say de be ya ye drop video bi a wonsa ebeka no hu de ekoso oman yi mu ene aman foforo eso midin e de AJ Magraheb.